Hi everyone, welcome to this video about laminated non-woven fabric for PPE kits. PPE kits means personal protective equipment are used to protect healthcare workers and other frontline workers from exposure to hazardous material such as viruses, bacteria and chemicals. Laminated non-woven fabric are a type of fabric that is made of two layers of non-woven fabric that are bonded together with a layer of film. This film layer makes a fabric waterproof, breathable and resistant to chemicals. Laminated non-woven fabrics are used in a variety of PPE kits including surgical gowns, isolation gowns, coveralls, aprons, head covers, face masks, shoes cover, etc. How do laminated non-woven fabrics work? Laminated non-woven fabrics work by creating a barrier between the wearer and the hazardous materials. The film layer in a fabric prevents hazardous material from penetrating the fabric and coming into contact with the wearer's skin. The fabric is also breathable, which allows the wearer to breathe comfortably while wearing a PPE kits. Now let's talk about what are the benefits of using laminated non-woven fabrics for PPE kits. There are many benefits to using laminated non-woven fabric for PPE kits, including protection from hazardous material. Laminated non-woven fabrics are waterproof, breathable and resistant to chemical, making them ideal for protecting wearer from exposure to hazardous material. Comfort. Laminated non-woven fabrics are lightweight and soft, making them comfortable to wear an extended period of time. Cost effectiveness. Laminated non-woven fabrics are relatively inexpensive material, making them a cost-effective choice for PPE kits. Now let's talk about how are laminated non-woven fabrics used in a PPE kits. Laminated non-woven fabrics are used in a variety of ways of PPE kits. For example, surgical gowns. Surgical gowns are typically made of a single layer of laminated non-woven fabric. Isolation gowns are typically made of two layers of laminated non-woven fabric with a layer of absorbent material in between. Coveralls are typically made of multiple layers of laminated non-woven fabric with a layer of insulation in between. Now let's go through the conclusion. Laminated non-woven fabrics are a versatile and effective material for PPE kits. They are waterproof, breathable, resistant to chemicals, lightweight, soft and cost-effective. Laminated non-woven fabrics are used in a variety of PPE kits including surgical gowns, isolation gowns, coveralls, apron, head covers, face mask and shoe covers. Thanks for watching this wonderful video. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.